Hello, I'm Professor Ed Rubin, and I head the research group at Carnegie Mellon University that's developed the Integrated Environmental Control Model, or IECM. This is a computer model that lets you quickly and easily calculate performance, emissions, and costs of a fossil fuel power plant whose configuration and operating parameters can be specified by you, the user. This model was originally designed to analyze options for controlling regulated air pollutants like sulfur dioxide, particulate matter, and nitrogen oxides from coal-fired power plants. More recently, we've expanded the scope of the IECM to include other types of power plants, including systems using coal gasification and power plants fired by natural gas. Environmentally, the main focus of our recent work has been on methods to also control emissions of carbon dioxide, the major greenhouse gas linked to global climate change. And for that reason, several of the videos in this series focus on IECM options for CO2 capture and storage, or CCS as it's commonly called. So while the IECM incorporates a lot of technical detail, we've also tried hard to develop a graphical interface that's truly user-friendly and lets you operate the model without a lot of special training or detailed instruction manuals. At the same time, we also know from our own experience that guidance from a knowledgeable user can help you get the most out of a model like this. And it's for that reason that we've prepared this series of video tutorials that we hope you'll find useful in your own work. These tutorials span a fairly wide range of topics, from the basic operations of the IECM to more detailed descriptions of specific technology options and various advanced analytical and probabilistic capabilities for more experienced analysts. The videos are intended to highlight things that you can do with the IECM and to point out some of the features and operations that might not be obvious to a casual user. And because the model is continually evolving, we also know that the current version that you might download from our website may not look exactly in all details as the same as the version screen scenes that you'll see in these videos, but we don't think that'll cause any trouble. Each of the videos in this series lasts roughly 5 to 10 minutes and is narrated by a member of the IECM research team, who you'll see in the introduction to each of the videos. The silent partner in these productions is the IECM project manager, Dr. Haibo Zai. Finally, we want to express our deep thanks and gratitude to Carnegie Mellon alumni Sherman and Joyce Scott, whose gift to Carnegie Mellon funded these video productions, and also to the U.S. Department of Energy's National Energy Technology Laboratory, which has supported development of the IECM over many years. So now I simply invite you to view or download these videos, the ones that look most interesting to you, and to let us know how we're doing in making the IECM accessible and useful for your own work. Thanks very much.